Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So here I am with my very first video for my channel on the topic the greetings. The greetings which mean los saludos. Now, how do we converse with someone? In Spanish, the very first thing that we say to someone is hello. Hello, which means hola in Spanish. It is hola. The H is silent. Next, how do we say good morning? It is buenos dias. How do we say good afternoon? It is buenas tardes. Now, good night is buenas noches. Now, how do you say what is your name? There are two ways to say, the informal way and the formal way. In the informal way, we say ¿Cómo te llamas? It is ¿Cómo te llamas? Llamarse is the verb which means to be called. Now, what is the formal way? In the formal way, we say ¿Cómo se llama? Now here's a trick for you. The S in the llamas is removed and it is replaced with T in te. I repeat, the S in llamas is removed and is replaced with T in te. Now how do you answer? What is your name? We say, Me llamo es so and so. Next, how will we say, how are you? Again, there are two ways, the informal way and the formal way. The informal way we say, ¿Cómo estás? Or we may also say ¿Qué tal? It is ¿Qué tal? And not ¿Qué tal? Now, how will we say in the formal way? It is ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? In the formal way is ¿Cómo está usted? A trick over here is, so like in the informal way it is ¿Cómo estás? You remove the S from the estás and write está. And in the formal way, since we're talking to someone elder, we always use usted for you instead of tú. So, what I'm saying is that you use usted for you instead of tú. So it is ¿Cómo está usted? Now how do you reply to how are you? You may say good, which means bien. You may say bad, which means mal. Or you may say fatal, for terrible. So I hope the words learned today like ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo estás? Bien, mal, ¿Cómo te llamas? Have helped you. I would suggest to start conversing a little in Spanish. This will give you a little confidence. If you like my video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Gracias. Adios.